That dog is really happy. It can't stop wagging its tail.
I love your new house. It's so spacious and bright. That guy looks scary.
Remember not to judge a book by its cover. Daniel is always late for meetings.
Yes, it's becoming a real problem. That cake looks incredible.
And it's delicious. Oh, look out the window! A bird built its nest in the tree outside. Have you done your homework? I know it's difficult, but you need to try.
This movie is amazing. It's the best I've seen in a long time.
Should we eat here?
Yes, this restaurant is famous for its amazing desserts. Oh no! What happened to your new shirt?
Its color faded after I washed it.
The team played really well.
It's clear they have been practicing hard.
Why are you sad?
The flower you gave me lost its petals.